So we are starting, of course, on Monday morning, and on Mondays I wake up at 7 and my morning routine lasts for an hour and a half, and so you will see that even though I wake up at different times during the week, I always have an hour and a half for my morning routine. On Monday mornings, I love to start off the day by writing some of my book. I'm always writing a book just for fun, and so I spend an hour and a half every Monday morning writing. Then, since usually a few things have come up over the weekend, I will spend the next 45 minutes doing various admin tasks, and today I had a phone meeting. I like to do admin related things like calls, etc. from 10 till 10:40. After that's finished, I will head over to a therapy session. I go to therapy every Monday, and I decided to do this because I'm really trying to prioritise my mental health this year, and I'm actually finding it very helpful. Also, whenever I'm walking around during this week, I am definitely listening to a self-help audiobook. So then I head straight to campus because from 12:30 to 1:30 I have a creative writing lecture. I am going to clean the kitchen because we have a rota in our flat, and we clean the kitchen and bathroom once a week, but collectively, and then when a rota as to who does it, so I'm doing the kitchen this week. So as I said, this particular day I cleaned the kitchen and I paid particular attention to the hobs because they were really grimy. I finished lunch, and that means that it's time to study until 5 when I leave for my lecture. And I don't really have that much to do, so I'm just going to get ahead on work so that I won't have as much to do later in the week. I put aside a lot of time every week for studying because I obviously am here at university to get a university education, and that is my top priority. But later in the week, when I have finished all of my work and I've done work for the next week, I've done extension work, I will use those slots to do other things instead. So as I said, until 5 o'clock when I leave for my lecture, I will just do some studying. Currently 7 minutes to 3, and I'm going through these readings and just making notes of things that I don't agree with, or my own original thoughts, so that I can discuss them further in seminar. And then at 5:15 I will leave to go to campus for my criticisms lecture. Okay, it's 6:30 and I'm just walking back from my lecture. Today we were looking at neuroscience and neurology. We look at the topic more generally and then we apply it to literature. And now I'm heading to the gym. With your hand on your heart, please tell me which way to go, 'cause I sure don't. Peace in hand is a start, but it's a mighty puzzle to. I'm back now from the gym. Now I'm gonna go make some dinner. I love to have a remedy kombucha when I get back. It's such a great way to finish a gym workout. And at the same time, I will do some YouTube work, which is usually editing. I I have not finished this video yet, but I don't want to end up going to bed too late, so I'm gonna go have a shower and then go to sleep. So then Tuesdays, as you can see, I wake up at 6:30 instead of 7, and I spend half an hour doing any overflow tasks from yesterday. Then from 9:30 till 10:30, I have a poem lecture. So I decided to film this week, and then last minute something came up, which means that my week isn't actually going to be very typical of what it usually is. So this particular day I needed to pack to go up to London. I'm now here at the station. And whenever I go on a train journey, I spend usually the first 10-15 minutes just looking out at the view, because I love the beautiful views that you see when you're in Devon. So yes, from 12:30 till 1:30, I like to spend some time doing YouTube admin, whatever that might be. There actually is quite a lot of it which comes up, and so it's good to put this time aside.
Heathrow Express.
Thank you.
You're not ready at the
Not yet, no. Thank you. Okay, flash forward like 2 hours. I went to King's Cross for a meeting, and now I am with Martha.
We are people of culture, some might say.
Yeah, my sister and I went to the Serial Killer Cafe, which she'd been to a few times, and it was really cool. I really liked it.
And you're supposed to cry.
I know, I dropped it. We are here, as I said, at the Serial Killer Cafe.
They got mozzarella sticks with cinnamon up on it. Wait, what is supposed to...
On Tuesday afternoons, I study, obviously. We are going to get started with some creative writing work. I'm going to be writing a love poem, which I need to do for Thursday. So from 2:30 till 5, after I finish that YouTube admin, I will usually study when there aren't sporadic other plans, which I never usually have. And then I did have a lecture from 5:30 till 6:30, but I didn't actually film any clips of that, so I'm sorry. But straight after that, I head to the gym. Technically, I shouldn't be filming in the changing room, but there's no one else in here. I hope. Why am I so red? See you on the other side. I'm now back in my room, and for some reason, I look less red and sweaty than I did before I went into the gym. I leave Tuesday evenings free to do whatever, which might be like seeing friends, studying if I need to, doing any YouTube work, and tonight I am going out for dinner with my school friend Jade, and I'm really excited because we haven't caught up for a while. As I said, this particular day I saw my friend Jade from school, and we went to the most beautiful bar, and yes, I did have peppermint tea. Wednesdays, I wake up at 6 AM, so half an hour earlier than the day before. And I will spend half an hour getting any chores done that I need to get done. So that's always a laundry load, and today I also had some rubbish to take out. On Wednesday morning, I start out by doing some chores. So I've just got some bits to go and put in the bins and recycling. It's it's time to get studying. I start studying at 8:30 on Wednesday mornings. So from 8 till 10, I like to spend this time doing any studying if I've got any that I need to do.
I'm a traveling spirit.
And after 10 a.m, I don't do any studying at all. I spend this time working on YouTube related things, personal projects, anything related to developing professional skills, applying for programs or schemes, and this is basically my proactivity day. Okay, I've just finished the first edit for a video and now I'm actually heading out to go to Boston Tea Party to meet my friend Esme for coffee and, well, coffee, tea, drinks, whatever. When I get back, I will do the final edits of that and get it ready to post at 4 p.m. My friend Esme and I are also trying, this is our first time, but like we're trying to meet up on Wednesday afternoons. And when I get back, I just do more of that like proactivity, non-studying related things. So then Thursday morning, in the morning I have a creative writing seminar. I love this seminar so much, it's so interesting, and straight after that I like to go into town, do some food shopping, do anything that I need to get done. I like to go to the farmer's market. Usually though, it's just an excuse for me to walk around Waterstones. Okay, here is lunch. I'm trying the new bagels I just bought. So usually when I get back from town on Thursdays, I like to do some of a masterclass. This is something I have a subscription for. It's where professionals teach you key skills and I just find it really fun. So at the moment I'm doing the Atwood masterclass. I'm starting that today and I'm really excited for this one.
In castes, they are identified by the kind of clothing that they wear to the top people in the society.
I will do some quick chores if I need to get anything done. Today I did need to hoover. And then this is actually the bulk time when I get lots of my studying done. I find I'm very productive on Thursday evenings, and so I definitely utilise that time and I work from 3:30 till 9. So then on Fridays, sometimes I will go for a run in the mornings, but not every Friday morning. Okay, sure. Is there any way that it can be this? This is just a really nice bagel, which I will show you later. I can't believe I did that. I paused it last night because I was trying to open it to get something out and I didn't resume it, so everything is still sopping wet. So then from 8:30 till 11 I will just do some studying. Then I head for my first seminar, which is for the poem. Usually I spend the half an hour break between my two seminars doing the criticisms pre-seminar questions. I know it seems really last minute for me to do it literally before the seminar, but for me it works really well because I have these ideas at the tip of my tongue and I feel just more ready for the discussion. So then I have my seminar. I love this seminar. It's one of the highlights of my week. And then after that I will head to the forum where I have my final seminar of the day. Second seminar. So I spend this half an hour not doing any studying. Today I decided to write a letter to Anne. Some of you will know that I do go home pretty regularly. I really value spending time with my family and being at home. I do go home quite a few weekends, and This particular day I was going home, so I actually don't tend to study or do academic work on the journeys there. I might on the way back, but on the way there I spend most of the time reading, and at the moment I'm reading Station 11, which is actually the book we are reading for the book club which I'm running over on Instagram, so definitely join that if you are interested. Okay, so there we go. That is my week in my life. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope that you have a productive week.